Welcome back to our kitchen.
Today we are making orange sesame chicken.
Cutting the chicken into small cubes. Perfectly sized for quick cooking.
Let us marinate the meat.
Little basic seasoning first.
Cornstarch keeps the chicken tender and juicy.
Coating every single piece. We will let this rest for 15 minutes.
Now for our secret ingredient. Fresh orange zest adds an amazing aroma. Look at that beautiful color.
Listen to that fresh juice.
Squeezing out all the fresh, sweet juice.
This is the base of our sauce.
A spoon of savory soy sauce. A touch of honey for natural sweetness. Oyster sauce brings wonderful umami.
And the zest to brighten it up.
Mix it until the honey dissolves.
The sauce is perfectly ready.
Time to cook the chicken.
Just a little oil in a hot pan.
Hear that beautiful sizzle. Let them brown nicely on one side.
Look at that perfect golden color.
Cooking until tender and crispy.
Hit like if this is making you hungry. Removing the chicken for just a moment. Smelling absolutely delicious.
Now we cook the garlic.
Just until it is wonderfully fragrant. In goes our sweet citrus sauce.
Letting it simmer and thicken.
Keep stirring on low heat.
That is the perfect sticky consistency.
Time to bring the chicken back in.
Tossing it completely.
Look at that incredible shine.
The aroma is filling the whole kitchen.
Turning off the heat.
A sprinkle of nutty sesame seeds.
Such a beautiful contrast.
One last stir.
Ready for plating.
Serving up a generous portion.
Straight onto the plate.
Do not waste a single drop of this sauce.
Absolutely mouth-watering. A little fresh green for perfection.
Subscribe for more amazing dinner ideas.
Let us take this to the table.
Dinner is served.
The sweet citrus smell is absolutely perfect.
Time to dig in.
Look at how tender it is inside.
Be careful, it is hot.
So incredibly juicy.
Perfect with warm white rice.
The best bite ever.
Mixing all the flavors.
This is a must-try recipe.
Sweet, savory, and sticky.
Such a comforting meal.
A beautiful day in the kitchen.
I hope you enjoy making this.
Crispy on the outside, tender inside.
Thank you for joining us.
Have a wonderful dinner.
See you in the next journey.
Cook with love.
Every detail matters.
Perfect sauce.
Beautiful light.
Perfectly presented.
Do not forget to like and subscribe.
Such natural colors.
Incredible glaze.
A true home-cooked meal.
Happy cooking!